Okay, moving on, question 8. The line y equals 6 plus 3 meets the curve y equals x squared plus bx plus c at exactly 1 point. And the line y equals 4x minus 2 also meets the curve, the same curve at exactly 1 point. What is the value of b minus c? Okay, so you probably now have developed a sense of what's going on in these TMUA questions, right? I mean, you have two variables, which is b and c, and then you have two pieces of information, right? So again, simultaneous equations might be unavoidable. Okay, but let's see. So exactly 1 point, right? So what's the situation here? So random quadratic looks like this, meets the curve at exactly 1 point, so it's definitely a tangent. Yeah, okay, very bad tangents. Let's try again with my limited art skills. So here basically, so it's tangent at 1 point. Okay, so how do I find their intersection then? I find the intersection by equating them. So 2x plus 3 equals x squared plus bx plus c. So then I get a quadratic in x. Quadratic in x. And then of course it meets at only 1 point. So I should expect that this quadratic only has one solution. If it only has one solution, that means that the discriminant is what? It's equal to 0. So let me make this quadratic look nicer. So plus b minus 2x, I'm moving everything to the right hand side, plus c minus 3 equals 0, and then of course discriminant equals to 0, so b minus 2 all squared minus 4ac, a is 1, equals to 0. Sweet. Okay, same logic for the other curve, so 4x minus 2 equals x squared plus bx plus c, so x squared plus b minus 4x plus c plus 2 equals 0, and again discriminant, so b minus 4 squared minus 4ac equals 0. Good. Okay, so what would my strategy be to solve this? So I'm going to cancel the c's, because both of them have negative 4c. So if I subtract one equation from the other, then I think that's the best strategy. Okay, so let's do that. So b minus 2 squared, so the equation on top, this guy, minus the bottom guy, top guy minus bottom guy, minus b minus 4 squared, okay, plus 12 plus 8 equals 0. Agreed? Just be careful of the positives and negatives. So the 4 c's cancel themselves, lovely. B squared minus 4b plus 4, okay, you just have to do it. I think there's no shortcuts, eh? Okay, great. So now what do we have? So we have, b squares cancel, lovely. 4b, plus 8 equals to 0, I think. 4b plus 8 equals 0. That means b is negative 2. Okay, and now you just sub into your favorite equation, right? If b is negative 2, then you find c. Okay, so let's say I sub into the first equation. So b minus 2, right? So negative 2 minus 2, that's negative 4. Negative 4 all squared minus 4 times c minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, I mean, you just do the math from here, right? So I think c is 7, right? So I hope my elementary algebra is okay. So b minus c, negative 2 minus 7, I think that's negative 9. So the answer is A.